Howdy everyone, this is Grapevine. I'm with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm at the Lenox Heights. The Lenox Heights, I'm looking at their pool. Wow, there's a big pool. There's a lot to describe here. On the left, there's some great cabanas that are super cool. Those cabanas are amazing. This is just a fun looking area. You've got a big pool area here in the middle. What I like is there's a deeper pool, but then there's all of these side areas that has just 6 inches where you can just kind of chill and be in the water easily. You've also got all of these seating areas, this huge screen. Oh, I love this. I mean, you can see it. It's like massive. It's probably 150 inches, 200 inches. It's really big. Cornhole, of course, cornhole is here. There's a lot more over here. There's some grilling stations. More to do over here. 2 grilling stations, some TVs over there, and then more chairs. There's so much to do here. It's a really fun pool, and it's surrounded by great apartments that are over here. So I'm loving what I'm seeing here. This is just a phenomenal pool. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.